Capex Beauty da amukana welcome tawzari. Ngasi gi video sida share tawzari base eyeshadow ne aduga aigi ngasi eyeshadow sina Makeup Revolution gi Courage Wild Animal palette ne. Ahanbada sigi eyeshadow palette se magi box se I really like it. Haidi magi animal print oivase, it's very appealing, it's very pretty. Aduga mase full size mirror masu yawe, which I think is very convenient. Sigi eyeshadow palette se 18 colors ne, aduga 18 sigi manungda 5 amana matte oye, haidi which we can use as transition shades. Aduga ataisina shimmery oiba natraga metallic oibado adu oye. Ahanbada sigi eyeshadow palette se pink natraga gold tone pamami gidi. I think they will really appreciate this. First of all, I'm on the yariba transition shades mayam se hana swatch tawzage. Mangonda yariba transition shades mangamak any skin tone da season abada I think they will suit very well. Next ki oina mangonda yariba machu se pink tone oiba khara yawe ai si hana swatch tawzage. Next gold tone oiba shades khara yawa se ai si amuk swatch tawzage. Aduga sigi eyeshadow palette se ekoina colorful oi hai taragasu smoky eyes pamami gisu I think this will serve very well. Haidi monda yariba brown tone mayam se yam pigmented oi aduga smoky eyes ki damakta I think they will suit very well. Aduga sida yariba green color se so it's very pretty. I am tang swatch tawzage. Ahanbada sigi green se yam kana pigmented oiba manda taragasu swatch tarokan ma se gold tone oiba amasu yawe, so it's like a dual chrome effect ama pi. Overall sigi Makeup Revolution gi palette se it's very high quality. Haidi monda yariba color mayam se yam highly pigmented oi. Aduga sigi palette se yariba shimmery natraga metallic shades mayam se yam bright oi. Haidi yam light reflect phazana tawe. Sometimes eyeshadow taibase concealer natraga eyeshadow base ama tawraga taibane ai adudo mayamda sigi palette sigi blendable oiba natraga exact color do adudo I am hana uchage. Side amaduna NYX ki ai eyeshadow base se ai taige, aduga side amaduna Maybelline gi concealer se ai taige, aduga sigi eyeshadow palette sigi color mayam se kamaina perform tawge do ai show macha amtang tawzage. Sigi palette sigi transition shades mayam se phazana perform tawe, haidi phazana blendable oi, aduga mangonda laiba color se exact adum taba ngame. Aduga sida yariba shimmery shades mayam se so adum phazana perform tawe, haidi even if I use a brush sometimes shimmer gumba metallic oiba color mayam se khutna taibana henna chane na khal, but I'll try with a brush here because aina magi performance to uchaning bagine. Overall, Sigi Makeup Revolution gi Courage Wild Animal palette se I really like it. It's very colorful. Aduga mangonda yauriba color miyam sisu yam versatile ona seasonable yae, which is very nice. Aduga magi quality sisu I'm very satisfied. Haidi akoina sometimes metallic gumba natraga shimmer oibase yamna seasonable da nungai tabdo adudu di sungoi oide sise pura magi shimmer miyam se pura taiba kana pura buttery oye. Aduga mon da yauriba aigi favorite shades hayo hai tare sigi green se I really like it. Haidi green plus gold hai tare aduga sigi pink se it just pops out. Haidi hek yengbada it's very nice. Aduga another magi blinding oiba sigi kai hai tare chrome hai gadra sigi colors, so it's very nice. So colorful oiba palette pam targadi I think this is a very good option. Aigi wakaldadi HOK makeup natraga Mintra is a better place to buy Makeup Revolution. Any legible link to dusu makada share tawzarake. Ngasi gidi sida lashan jarage. Thank you. Bye.